I've been working from home for quite a while now, and I tend to start the day with something simple like cereal. Sometimes I have tea, and sometimes I even skip breakfast. I generally find that the mornings are really nice when you work from home. I might clean my setup and get straight to my desk and start working. I usually use a standing desk, and I think it's really useful. But I do sit down in my kitchen when I get fed up, and on days when my legs are tired and I don't really want to stand. I work in third line support in IT, so I do manage a range of tickets, Windows, networks, and Unix. Due to my age, I am still a bit junior, so it's very useful for me to go to the office where I can meet with senior colleagues and shadow them. I definitely love going to the office because it's refreshing, and I do think that I am more productive in the office. However, I do think commuting is a bit of a chore, and I just naturally find myself working more from home. Often I'm going to try to really get my tasks done by lunchtime. In third line support, the teams can be busy mornings and evenings, and work can vary throughout the whole day. Sometimes I do take a quick run to my local Asda to get lunch. I'm going to come back and continue working my tickets. As I work, sometimes I'll start frying food in the background. You tend to cook more than buy food when you work from home. On this particular day, I did have to visit Woking Town Centre to run some errands. So this is the usual Woking Town Centre. I'm not sure how much you can tell, but it's really rainy and wet today. This is a really cool place where you can actually sit down on these benches. Who needs to take the elevator when you can just take the staircase? Just capturing the usual, customary Woking Town Centre views. I think the most productive lunches are where I can actually leave my house and have a quick search at the gym, but it's not always easy given the time constraints. So I head back home and I just continue to work on my tickets, closing any remaining tickets, and just getting the job done. As I mentioned, the work can vary between mornings and evenings. I actually really do like my job, and I definitely like going through technical tasks. In my case, being in a triage environment, I am able to get exposure to networking tickets, Windows tickets, and also Unix, Linux tickets. I really do enjoy going to the office because I do think that it's good for mental health and I am able to focus sometimes better. But working from home has its advantages, and sometimes I do go after work to the gym, or I will, in this case, go to London. Making a vlog involves first going lots of places, taking lots of shots, then condensing that into the most aesthetically pleasing photos, and then mix that with a presentable personality. Truth be told, I am actually late for my event and I need to be getting there right now.
The next year or the next few years. Now, something called FL platform.
I think it's my first time coming here at night time, but wow, like the photos just look so stunning. You really have to crank the ISO to be able to get like the best image of these buildings. So this is 25th Street from below, really, really big. That is a long place. So this is Waterloo. And thanks guys for watching, and please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.